Last night the Bucks won the Super Bowl. Today I want to talk to you about our MVP, Encap-Clean DS2. Stick around. So why are we calling Releasit Encap-Clean DS2 an MVP product, our most valuable player? Well, hopefully it's not just an MVP for us, but it will be for you as well in your carpet cleaning business. Encap-Clean DS2 is a double strength product. Now, it's true you may have heard of other DS products. Other companies have followed us down that path and labeled their products DS at 4 ounces per gallon. Frankly, we probably could have put the dilution even lower than 4 ounces per gallon because it performs so well. But at 4 ounces per gallon, it's a true performer. What it does at 4 ounces per gallon is it cleans like crazy. You can throw it up against just about anything at 4 ounces per gallon. Why is that doing such a good job? Well, first of all, the detergent, the surfactant package that we have here works extremely well, but beyond that, we loaded Encap-Clean DS2 with polymer. And it's that encapsulation polymer that's the vehicle that grabs the soil, holds it in suspension, and gets recovered from the carpet during the routine of post-vacuuming. So that's why we felt it was important to put a lot of polymer into the product. Now, polymer, the type of polymers that we're using here, this is not something that's cheap. It's an expensive part of the component package. But we feel that it adds a tremendous amount of value to the overall performance. For one thing is that that polymer can grab a very high soil load. I'd like to share a story with you. Several years ago, a carpet cleaner down in Adelaide, South Australia, was using Encap-Clean DS2 to solve a very strange, peculiar situation I'll share with you. He was cleaning a revolving restaurant at the top of a very tall hotel, and what happened was the revolving restaurant, the seal leaked onto the carpet on the floor below, so there was this huge puddle of thick sump oil on the carpet on the floor below the restaurant. He was called out to clean it. Now picture, you got that call. It's not practical to run truck mount hoses, that many floors up. And to do it with a portable would be highly impractical. Could you imagine you'd have to load the carpet with solvents and try to suck it out with a little portable? That would have been a nightmare, just an absolute nightmare. And then he came up with this absolutely nutty idea. Frankly, if he'd have called us and said, can we do this? I would have said, no, it won't work. But he had seen that Releasit did well in oily conditions before, so he came up with this totally off-the-wall idea to mix Encap-Clean DS2 super strong, way beyond 4 ounces per gallon, trust me. What he did is he went in with a rotary machine and he just foamed up that carpet. And he just soaked the carpet with Encap-Clean DS2, barricaded the area so nobody could walk on it, came back the next night to check it out. The carpet, he said, was still damp, so that gives you an idea how much he used on the carpet. On the second night, he did the same thing all over again. He foamed up the carpet with his super heavy concentration of Encap-Clean DS2. So now he's done that twice. Heavy concentration, shampooed the carpet like crazy. He came back 2 nights later. He said on that third visit the carpet was finally dry. He said it also looked like there was a little bit of a yellowish hue on the surface. He thought it might have been some encapsulated oils. So he vacuumed the carpet now for the first time, and he repeated the process a third time, exactly like he had on the previous time. He said, although on the third time, he added a little bit of odor counteractant because he said the oil had a little bit of a pungent smell to it, and you could still smell it. So he cleaned it a third time the same way. He said that he's been back to that building many times since then, and no trace of the oil had ever come back. Now, to me, that's remarkable because with such an off-the-wall approach to cleaning, he was able to grab that heavy concentration of thick, sticky sump oil from the carpet and encapsulate it totally. What enabled him to do that? Again, it's the polymer package that we have in Encap-Clean DS2. Now, let's scale it back to practical applications. In your normal cleaning application, it's going to take oils from the environment. This polymer likes oils. What we put together here is an oil-loving package. So typical stuff that walks in from outdoors and gets into your traffic lanes, Encap-Clean DS2 goes after it. Olefin loves oil, as you probably know. Again, it's going to peel that right off of there. A wonderful product that just goes after the heavy soil. That's why we're calling it our MVP. It's a great product, does such a terrific job for going after the heavy soil conditions that we typically see in a commercial environment. It's also highly soil resistant. Now if we go back to the equation, at 4 ounces per gallon, that's actually 32 to 1. In other words, if we took 1 gallon of Encap-Clean DS2, we could mix it with 32 gallons of water, 32 to 1, we'd have 33 gallons of usable product. Now each gallon of RTU will clean roughly 300 square feet per gallon. In other words, if you put a gallon into a Cymex machine, you could clean about 300 square feet with a gallon of mixed detergent. What that breaks down to is 33 gallons times 300 would be 9,900 square feet of carpet with a single gallon of Encap-Clean DS2. Nearly 10,000 square feet per gallon of Encap-Clean DS2. That's extremely cost effective. It breaks down to roughly 0.3 of a cent per square foot to clean with Encap-Clean DS2. So your profit margins are insane as you work with Encap-Clean DS2. It's really awesome. So these are some reasons why we feel that Encap-Clean DS2 stands out in the Releasit product line as a true MVP, and hopefully you'll find that it will be an MVP in your carpet cleaning business as well. It's just one more way that we help you max your Encap here at Excellent Supply. We thank you for watching this episode of Encap TV. If you would be so kind to hit the like, comment, subscribe below, that helps us with YouTube as well. Until next time, thanks for watching.